cute Halloween costumes, we don't know her. We out here being scary. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today we are going to transform into a werewolf. I think you can tell by my, I don't know, this seems, what's it called? Werewolfy to me. And I'll, let my hair frizz up a little bit because we're gonna be a hungry werewolf. Oh, I also did shave my brows already. I did them yesterday, and may I just say I look fabulous. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And for the rest of this month, I'm going to be posting nothing but Halloween costume, Halloween makeup-y stuff. I'm gonna need, I had to take off the button up, or whatever you want to call it, button down, I don't know, and put my hair like out of my face. I hate having hair in my face. I just can't do it. Also, do you see how sad my happy birthday balloon is? My birthday was in August, it is now October. I'm not gonna move it. So I'm gonna prime my face because we gonna be werewolfing all night, howling at the moon and eating people, fighting vampires. All right, after priming the face, I am going to use some BB cream. I am going to take the Juvia's Place concealer. That's why I used BB cream, because this concealer, at least for me, is very full coverage. So I literally just dot in a couple places, and you're gonna watch my face transform. Like, this concealer is the good stuff. Oh, and I just want to say that for this tutorial, you'll just need your regular makeup stuff, and then just face paint, which you can get anywhere. The eyebrows first, because that way I'll be able to tell where to put everything else. I'm starting off with like a lighter brown and then going in with like dark brown and black later. Brows complete. Very scary. So I'm gonna contour just like I would do my makeup. I'm just gonna go with a darker shade, like way darker, to make it more like costumey. It's probably gonna get covered up anyway, but this will help me know where to put the black. I mean, I'm doing black because my hair is black, duh. That's why I'm doing black. What color you use is, you know, up to you. Even if you do have a jaw, it's good to accentuate it with this look. This makeup look, just everyday makeup, you know. Alright, and then around here, in the hairline, I am also going to, I'm also going to like deepen the outermost part of my eye. One right here that's kind of angled and fluffy. So I'm gonna deepen this a little bit. You want to accentuate the bone structure. It'll be a lot easier if you actually have bone structure, unlike me, using the same brush shade right here. And then I'm gonna bring it down to contour my nose. And it's okay if it wraps around. See, look at that, that's cool. This look I'm trying to make as simple as possible. Then I'm gonna accentuate my parentheses as well because I'm a wolf. And it's always good to start off with a cream because then you can set it with a powder and it'll last longer. Make sure I have like a widow's peak, and then we're gonna go like maybe up to here. as we go on. So I am gonna put black eyeshadow where my hairline is as well. With the same brush I used contour, so I like using this fluffy brush. I'm gonna take black, like I said, start off little, so I'm gonna go right here. My sister is calling me. I haven't really been putting a lot of pigment on my brush. I've just kind of been spreading the gray. It was so funny because I FaceTimed my sister and she was like, "You look so hairy." And I was like, "Yeah, that's the point. I'm supposed to be a werewolf." So I'm wetting the other end, so you'll just need another brush. And I'm dipping into some black face paint. Now you want to make sure it's not watery, like especially since these bristles are very thick, they absorb a lot of water, and you don't want to put watery paint on there. It's just going to make everything harder. So darker on the outer part of my face. I'm just going around really lightly. So I'm just like making sure that it's blended, like it looks just like with eyeshadow, that there's not like this harsh, obvious line. Then what I'll do is go over that deep black with my black eyeshadow. Alright, so what I did was I took the black sponge and dipped it into my black eyeshadow instead of the liquid, the water. And now I'm gonna just blend the edges. I'm gonna repeat the same up here and here, and I'll be right back. Before we move on to drawing in lines and stuff, I am gonna take like the black that's left over and lightly put it on the lid. I mean, I think I look hot as a werewolf. And then the spots I've left visible are going to be lightened, like a black and white dog. I'm gonna take some black and brown liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna use some white paint, face paint, and like a little brush, and just go in this direction. So we're going in the direction of like how my hairs would spread if I was a werewolf. You're probably freaking out thinking, oh my god, where did Katie go? And why is there a werewolf here? And I'm here to tell you, don't worry, it's me, I promise. I look like a porcupine. Okay, now I'm gonna take the sponge again and I'm gonna, like, in this direction, I'm going to start my nose. I'm gonna also make my top lip black and leave my bottom lip its natural color. I am gonna do mascara because why not? Okay guys, I'm so sorry, my camera died, and I did do a little bit of stuff while I was waiting for it to recharge. All I did was add white eyeliner to the bottom portion of my eye, and I also used like a little angled brush and the white face paint and like made it a little bit brighter. And then I took some concealer, cleaned up, you know, the nose was too like spread out, so I cleaned it up. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it, and I am also going to draw fangs on my bottom lips. So I set it in these areas, and I put a lot of setting powder because I want, even though when I wipe it off with a brush, some will still be left behind because I do want these portions to stay lighter than the rest of my face. Time for my fangs. I'm just going to use a brush, white face paint, and I'm going to make the fangs a little bit bigger than normal, and then outline it with black so it pops a bit more. I know it's a mess, but I wanted to show you guys this. Like I said, make the fangs bigger than they're supposed to be, and then I took just like my angled brush that I've been using this whole video that's just messed up, and take, because my thing is that if you do the water paint and your brush is wet, it's gonna blend together the colors, so your teeth are just gonna be gray. So what I did is I took my angled brush and I rubbed it against the tip of the black eyeliner, and then I drew my teeth on. I want to suck your blood. Wait, that's the wrong one. This is the finished look. My camera has died twice. I started this at 7:30. It is now 10:48. My camera's about to die again, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Love you guys so much. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.